Hey guys, it's Khan and here are the 10 features removed from Windows Shell in the upcoming Windows 11. Windows 11 is expected to be released next month and there are some additions and subtractions from the old Windows 10. Let's talk about that. Number 1. Cortana will no longer say hi during the Windows installation. Microsoft plans to reduce emphasis on Cortana in Windows 11. Cortana will not be used during the new device setup process and will not be pinned to the taskbar by default. Number 2. News and interests have evolved. New functionality has been added which can be found by clicking the widgets icon on the taskbar, which will be aligned to the center by default. And it's kind of the same news and interests, but better and good looking. Number 3. Quick status from the lock screen and associated settings are removed from Windows 11. Number 4. Tablet mode is also removed and new functionality and capabilities included for keyboard attach and detach postures. Number 5. Timeline is removed because some similar functionality is available in Microsoft Edge. Number 6. Touch keyboard will no longer dock and undock keyboard layouts on screen sizes 18 inches and larger. Number 7. Desktop wallpaper cannot be roamed to or from device when signed in with a Microsoft account. Number 8. Wallet is also removed and I guess it wasn't used that much. Number 9. The Save Search options to save searches as virtual folders in File Explorer introduced in Windows Vista will no longer be there. Number 10. And because the ribbon has been replaced with the command bar, keyboard shortcuts for toolbar commands are no longer available. Other features removed from Windows 11 will be posted in the next video. Until then, take care.